This space is going to be a wetland, it's going to be an area of woodlands, it's going to be a space for students and community to be able to use the site for relaxation, for getting out into nature and helping to feel good about restoring the natural world, whilst also actually just being able to have this resource as part of their experience at RGU.
So throughout all that we do, we're doing lots of things about being sustainable, whether you're a fashion student or an architect. Then when we come to our own business operations, we're decarbonising, we've got great things we're doing with our heating and lighting, looking at our source of energy. But we've also got to then think about our environment. And if we don't role model the behaviours that we want people to think about personally, corporately, and in a community way, then we're not really living up to our moral purpose for the common good.
There is some really great assets here already in terms of the plant life, in terms of the bird life. We've got a number of nationally endangered bird species that are breeding here, but there's an awful lot more we can do. There's a lot of gaps in the ecosystems that we can start to fill in, that we can start to establish. We've learned that this site used to be part of the river, so we're going to be establishing the wetlands and bringing back what this site maybe used to look like 250 years ago, which is very exciting. So building reed beds and wetlands and islands for things to live in. It's a very, very exciting time to be a part of this project, I think.
So we'll be protecting and reintroducing the natural fauna and flora. It's just kind of a unique environment that we're custodians of, and we want to make sure that we pass that down to the next generations.
This is going to be an intergenerational project, really, to get the full mature ecosystem to its absolute maximum capacity. It's a lot like being an artist in some respects, where you're painting something, but the way it changes is going to last decades or centuries. The plants we introduce here may live here for the next 1,000 years.
This proposal really is about restoring this area to its natural habitat.